You think this is a normal turkey? Look closer inside. It's fried rice. I wok fried rice with mushrooms, potatoes, and veggies, then stuff it in the turkey skin. It drinks up all the turkey fat, total flavor bomb. And the dry breast meat, I took it out. One turkey, 6 dishes. Soup, stir-fry, braised meat, we waste nothing. Look at this feast, my family really enjoyed it. Ah, my son, always being a silly boy. Little trick. Now we need to get to step 1, the surgery.
This is Chinese mom, battle of turkey. Oh, no head.
This is the hardest part, but with the patience, you can actually peel the skin off the turkey.
Oh, finally, last piece, I skin off the turkey. Now we cut the legs off. The famous turkey leg. Here's our turkey breast, turkey hearts. We are eating this. We got 2 turkey breasts. One side of breast is heavy already. All this cock is perfect for soup. Chop like Chinese mom. We got turkey all breakdown. Here's turkey carcass, the pieces for soup, turkey wings, neck, giblets, and turkey leg. And our turkey skin. Don't waste food. Eat the whole turkey. We got some ginger and onions. Oh, we add potatoes, carrots, and mushrooms. Let's flip. Add salt and pepper. This is like turkey stuffing fried rice inside. So good. Look at this. You know I cook with lard, homemade lard. In any fried rice. I used to do fashion design, so for sewing, not a problem. I can sew clothes, then I can sew turkey skin. I was actually in Boston Fashion Week featured designer that year. Look at me now, I'm sewing turkey skin. Now the fun part, we're gonna stuff this turkey skin with this rice. Now the whole turkey is stuffed. Get the turkey close. Finish the surgery. Oh, here. You can actually see the turkey shape. Roast this. Look at the turkey skin. I didn't put any oil. This oil is from the turkey skin, which is brushed on outside. And keep cooking. Wow, it's so cooked. Oh, my sewing skill looks pretty good. So close, didn't explode. Look at the turkey skin. This is like a whole turkey here, but inside, it's fried rice. This looks so good. Oh, look at the rice. Look at the rice, cooked perfectly, roasted fried rice. We'll boil this in the water with ginger and green onions, a little bit of cooking wine. Now they are cool, so easy to just peel it off. Some chopped ginger, soy sauce, homemade chili oil, sprinkle some sugar, turkey soup, add in, Sichuan peppercorn oil, pour over the sauce on the turkey. Now the hot oil is ready, pour over water. We are boiling this for about 15 minutes. Get rid of this water. We add some new water in here. Now add crushed ginger and green onions, mushrooms. In China, people eat this herbal soup to improve their health. You can see a lot of Chinese herbs in here. We bring to a boil for 10 minutes and we turn it down to low heat for another 2 to 3 hours. To serve in a bowl. Herbs, mushrooms. Wow. Salt to taste, just add in your bowl. Add some cooking oil. When the oil is hot, we add rock sugar. Then we cook the rock sugar in the hot oil about 2 minutes. Caramelize the sugar. You see this like a brown syrup. We let it cool, then add some water. Just add a pork stock. This is the pork bone soup I made. Fresh ginger, green onions. I'll put all the spice in this tea bag. Close this and put in the soup. Next, we add soy sauce and salt. Turkey wings in this master braising sauce. Also turkey neck. Bring to a boil, then we cook for another 60 to 90 minutes. So here's the master sauce, braised turkey wings. Let's take it out. Wow, look at that. Also turkey neck. So soft. You poke it in, it's gonna break. Look at this. So we're gonna chop this turkey breast into little cubes. Marinate with cornstarch and cooking oil so your turkey is still very tender, not dry. Quickly stir fry. We take the turkey out. Pickled pepper, ginger, and green onions in. Get the fragrance out. The turkey back in. Our soy sauce. A little bit sugar. And pinch of salt. Now we serve. Garnish with some more green onions. This turkey leg probably gonna be the best one you ever had in my Chinese way. First, we add cooking oil, soy sauce. I measure with my Chinese eyeballs, just like my grandma. And cumin, 5 spice powder, garlic, and chopped ginger. Get a little massage, you got this flavor in. It's on 365. In a bit. Look at the juice coming out of here. Look at this, a turkey feast made of one turkey. Here is a master sauce, braised turkey wings, neck, roasted turkey leg, Chinese herbal soup made out of turkey. And this one, we took off the skin, right? Then I stuffed it with Chinese fried rice. There's another cold dish, spicy turkey, and that's a stir fry turkey breast.
Wow.
What do you think? It's enough for Thanksgiving?
It's a lot of food.
Taste this cold dish. And the herbal soup. What do you think?
I love that.
Oh, yeah, it's a lot of flavor. So the rice is in that turkey skin, and I sew it together. You know my sewing skills. Nothing gonna escape. Maybe you wanna scoop out a piece of rice and try it.
Good.
Feast.
Wait, rice is a dish? So 1, 2, 3,
So 6
4,
dishes, that's 1 turkey.
7. Rice is a dish.
So I took the turkey skin
1,
off.
2, 3,
So that just skin I
5,
stuffed
6,
with
7.
rice in there. More rice.
That mushroom. What is that?
土豆。 Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Pepper. 红红看一下。哦。哦，OK。哦耶，是吗？尝一下。红红要不要一块？Everyone having a great Thanksgiving. Make some Chinese food. Thanksgiving, something interesting. Hope you like this episode. We will see you. What do you mean? What do you say? Next week. Bye-bye.
Are you gonna eat that?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. 哦，我头发。